from YouTube, it's Lily, and today we are doing another video. You're gonna ask, what are we doing today, Lily? Because you've been in this room a million times before, and we always say when you're in this room, you're not doing gaming, you're doing crafting videos. Which y'all seem to like. Sure. We're gonna be making some stress balls. And basically, I got to do 3 different stress balls for y'all. And it's gonna be a mess because I'm a mess. Also, if you haven't seen the last video, you should go watch it. I made a mess in this room. Me and my brother made a mess in this room. And guess who got to clean it up? Me. So basically, we're just gonna get started. We're gonna do the Orbeez stress ball. Now, first thing you need to do for this stress ball is you need to fill a bottle of water, not like a bottle of water, but the empty bottle of water with Orbeez, just so it'll be easier for you to fill the balloon. I mean, technically you could use a what is it called? A funnel. There. Technically you could use a funnel, but I don't, because I honestly think this method is way easier. So just add as many as you want to be in your stress ball, and I'm gonna add a lot because hello, it's me, and I want the stress ball to be awesome. Oh yeah, and I'm using green ones because I can. How about we use green ones? Here, how about we use green ones and yellow ones? I have some yellow ones in here somewhere. Oh, here they are. I have a lot of Orbeez. I have some in my room. I have a ton of Orbeez. Yeah, we're not gonna make a mess with these. Oh, we're not gonna make a mess with these, and these bounce everywhere. I'm tired of cleaning this room, technically. I don't like cleaning this room, because I just don't. I like cleaning my room, though it's never clean when I say that. I'm struggling, y'all. Ah, no, the mic! Stop. This mic is a struggle sometimes. Y'all are gonna ask why I don't use the same mic in my crafting videos as I use in my gaming videos. It's because that mic doesn't work with the crafting video camera, and so since it doesn't work with that, we have to use a different mic, which actually my mic in this is actually a headset, so one of my gaming headsets. So yeah, it works. So now we're just gonna stretch out the balloon and blow it up. And the reason you need to blow it up is because you've got to be able to get the Orbeez in the balloon's mouth. And then you stretch it over the top. And then you just do this. Okay. Oh, my least favorite part. Doing this. Ow! And then you let some of the air out. Well, all the air out. There we go. There's a good stress ball. And then you do this. And basically how I know how to do this stuff is because in last video I had to fill balloons with stuff, and this is how I did it. Oh, now look at this stress ball. Great stress ball. Literally, they sell stuff like this that are strawberry shapes for $5, but you can make this for really cheap. See, look how fun this is. Does not bounce. Now, our next stress ball is, I just got serious real quick. Okay, so there's our stress ball. My least messiest stress ball that's gonna be today. So now our next stress ball is, guess why I bent over and remember what we're doing. What is this? It's a gallon of glue. And we're not putting a gallon of glue in a stress ball, because geez Louise, Lily does not need to put a gallon of glue in a stress ball, because jeez, I'm gonna make a mess out of it. So we're gonna be using glue. Oh, I didn't think about this. How am I gonna get this and this? gonna be awful. So now we're gonna, hold on, maybe this will work. I'm scared. Oh gosh, I just cleaned this room. We're gonna make a glue and a glitter stress ball. Gosh. Okay. I did it. And by glue and glitter, I mean glue, glitter, and some activator. It's basically a slime stress ball. The slime's gonna be so good, I'm not gonna get to fill it. Unless I can open the stress ball, which I probably will. Because, yeah, look how clear this is. Like, beautiful. So, after you add the glue and the glitter, you gotta get some, Stay Flow or any activator that you activate your slime with. But I use Stay Flow, so. Oh, come on. Oh gosh, just a little bit more. That's it. That's all I had. Oh my god, this scares me. Okay. So now I'm like, how do you make slime when it's in the bottle? We're just gonna shake it, okay? I ain't got no time, so give me that fancy stuff. So we're shaking it. Come on. Mix. Is it mixing? Turn into some slime. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah. It's gonna be another messy video. I'm already getting stuck to everything. Now. And it starts to balloon out. It was hard to blow up. So, now we're just gonna do the norm. I wasn't on planning. I wasn't on. I wasn't planning on filming a video today because we were supposed to go to a game. It's not working. Oh, did it. Now, we do this. Come on. Go in the balloon. Go in the balloon. Are you kidding me? What is with my luck today? Okay. Oh no. This is gonna make a mess, I can already tell. Oh! No! Oh. Hey, I can kind of feel that turning into slime. Ugh. This is the worst texture. My eye. Okay. It worked. I kind of wish I had more slime in this, but who cares? See, look, it turned into some slime. Oh, I didn't know that was on the camera. Yeah. Some slime. I'm gonna clean this up real quick, and I'm gonna come back, and we'll do the last one. Yeah. Okay, so my hands are wet, so this is how it looks. Oh, I'm gonna get sick. I just did this just a second ago, and now I feel sick. Blow dry. Ow. That hurt. So, I cleaned up a little bit. When you know, like, I didn't really burn up. So, these are my stress balls. So, we're gonna go from worst to best. So this one was the worst by far. Like, I mean, it's still a good stress ball, but it's just not as satisfying. But I hope when I mix this, like, it's just gonna turn into slime. I'm gonna pop it one day over a bowl. Okay, this one. Okay, so second worst, or like second place. love the color of these. Like, green's my favorite color. This one is really satisfying, but the reason I put this first is because this one's just so much better. This one is like slow rising, like a slow rising stress ball. Like, it's not squishy, but it's like, I don't know. Y'all need to feel it for me to explain it. It's like, I love this one. I honestly didn't think I was gonna like this one though. I need to put butter slime in one of these, but yes, queen. This one works. You can also use it to get slime off your shirt. Whenever you get it off your shirt. Okay, no. Well, I hope you all enjoy this video of me making stress balls, because these were fun to make and really stress worthy. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I need you all to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and then maybe we will do like more slime videos, and like that video. Like